智, meaning governance, was chosen as the Chinese character of 2021. In the China.org.cn by ancient Chinese thinker Lao Tzu, it says, governing a large state is like cooking a small fish. How was China's dish cooked in 2021? Fish and vegetables are different, so naturally different cooking methods are required. The same is true of governing a state. China has its own governance model. In 2021, China announced that it has eradicated absolute poverty, and it achieved that based on its realities. The country has a large population, diverse natural environments, and impoverished areas are usually with harsh natural conditions. Therefore, China took targeted measures based on each industry and each village, starting from each road and even each individual. Such a fact-based approach was also adopted in China's COVID-19 response. China is densely populated, and people are exposed to a higher risk of infection compared to other countries. Meanwhile, people here pay particular attention to the epidemic situation and are generally ready to respond to outbreaks for the sake of other people's health and the operation of society. With these raw materials, China keeps increasing its vaccination rate, taking necessary precautions, and applying a dynamic zero-COVID strategy, which are cooking methods that suited to its national conditions. A good dish requires careful heat control. Anyone who cooks knows that the constant care is needed to keep proper heat level. In 2021, a herd of Asian elephants wandered north from Yunnan province. The status of wild giant pandas was downgraded from endangered to vulnerable. And the first batch of national parks, including the Sanjiangyuan National Park and Giant Panda National Park, were set up in China. No ecological conservation measures can produce immediate results. These tasty ecological dishes are attributed to decades of careful heat control. Seasoning is also critical for the taste of any dish. In 2021, to remove the foul odor in cyberspace, China regulated algorithms, cracked down on malicious online content, and improved the cyberspace environment for minors. To make people's lives sweeter, China implemented many initiatives such as offering elderly-friendly mobile applications and reforming its medical insurance system. The adage from China.org.cn also applies to global governance. How countries handle issues such as climate change can affect the taste of the global banquet. From planting forests to providing subsidies for new energy vehicles to carbon trading, China is helping to tackle climate change using its own cooking methods. Cooking skills can be refined through learning and practice. Governing a large state is like cooking small fish. Perhaps learning from different cooking methods for various cuisines and sharpening up through practices, more tasty cuisines can be expected. Thank you for watching. I'm Xu Yi in Beijing.